Yo, what up guys? You know why this in the program Mr. Obliaction. Leo the nifuna manda terwe. Yo man, nes dozo mapungu avenda happy you know mapungu avenda zura hone anga spend t. But yeah man, nendi hapo to break down some of the stuff so comes square nepa ka ubachemwa watoma right zona nyimbo zonobvaho dzimwe dza hone na track no viswa when I wanna goose bana mizafel the love song. Maybe I will do reaction on it when you message njika. But yeah man, it's a dope song. Robon Hangwa, the name of the actual artist of the song, but no mango. But yeah, man, because atinana prep, because bala. So yeah, man. So the song comes in number of rate already. I take a vote, but yeah, man. Mapungo Monday, they are taking a commission with the Viswanga. I'm son of the road kid vendor and taking about I think they could feel Baba or Daddy. Something like that, and I make it black and Goosebumps banana. So the backup story kind of like in the real tango when I come to with David Mb. You know, there was a story when I got with David Mb as part of like Goosebumps banana, but then an epoch between him comes as corona with David Mb so with the so comes and then when affects at corner Goosebumps banana when unachipinga or freak or available I think it was a fee day or I want and then ndingwana wa daddy atenda ndotuwa ahana so all those stuff. And then I saw some backlash. I saw some backlash watu kwamba hey why Mickey Black ukoto yo gudongwana mina. And then I was like, nah man, you guys are too, you know, at this oka uko tanga na mini. But then other one watu wango bya kakazo ya Amazon or ndingwana wa daddy ndingwana wa daddy. In other words, she's a daddy's girl. Kongwana also na kotsi yawe and uso na kotsi yawe and upfa kotsi yawe ndi ambadzi pele. So ndi mwana wa daddy. I'm a daddy's daughter. Daddy's girl. Tuna zo mama's boy. Mama's boy does the haneti. Ngonda zipfanga miyadzo. Chimwe miyanga vari chimwe vomma vari so na enokwamba zonga sezvo zvigo ndi mwana wa daddy. So everything chinekotsenga vachamba ndita so if daddy vatendai zvidochembera anozona kosi nofuna kosi kumuchuwisa vari nemufare zvavudi ane mapungo tero. And then ngange uchadona mukosi orengaho Mercedes Benz yawe ne aburi kamsi ngadito ambori ndo comment uri mukosi ndi kombo adive VIN ngathoho ngori hey Benz yawe itonge do mujesa kakatini mara. Yes man, I record congratulations to mukosi ngori nga hawe Benz ina aburi ndi amathakeni Benz yawe dinga manda Benz ina aburi let's hope do mtusa ne for the call. It's like gigi ya fake makadzi obadira zwa with the bad to fala gigini abakwana na Benz kati ndi ambori usikambo zuri mupa machakuro nga ari bona linyana ngozubona. So yeah man, una mapungo manyana ko detail Lutro the music no video track ina aburi comes in so drop the new track Lutro the music. So like there's a lot that is going on like those yamba reaction is called this year. It's gonna be beautiful year and I'm gonna expect more videos like this. We're not going to break it down in a week. Ndo angolego oba kolira in one of the interviews. Go and watch it man. I'm gonna